record video this day, or right now I could say this night. We're gonna play some more. Well, tonight we're gonna play some more Block Fight with Thomas. Say hello.
What's up?
Yeah, guys. The 2 videos before this, I was doing voices like Vegeta, Mr. Mackey, and you know what? I thought maybe right now I want to. I think I might do a voice for this video. You know what? Nah, I'm not gonna do a voice. So, Thomas, what mode do you want to play?
I don't know. Let me do my intro and I'll think about it.
Wait, could we do zombie?
Yeah. Let me do my. No. Let's just.
Remember the last video we made one, and I'll do.
Pause that so I can do mine.
Hold on, Thomas is about to do his intro, so guys, we chose what a game mode we're gonna play. We're gonna play some zombies, and Chris joined in. Say hey. That's his version. Oh yeah, since we joined in late, we have to spawn as zombies. So let's get on with finding him. They're all up here. Kill them all. Come on.
It just made me. Hold on, guys.
Wait, what just happened? It kicked me out. Hold on, guys.
It kicked me out too.
Hold on. So we've decided, guys, we're not going to do zombies. We're going to do Juggernaut.
I'm Juggernaut. Hey guys, we're not.
Chris is Juggernaut.
Juggernaut, alright?
Chris is Juggernaut. We have to kill him. Yeah, hey, Chris, what's up? What does Juggernaut get? Oh, yeah, he gets that.
It takes like 5 shots to kill y'all.
You know, no one really told me.
Holy crap.
Chris, watch out to your left.
Ricky.
I'm sorry. I thought that was someone else.
You're not sorry.
I was expecting from. Chris, remember where you came in? There's a dude right there at that little gray steps.
Ricky,
he's coming to where you came in and killed Thomas.
Ricky, stop telling him. You're a terrible teammate.
I was helping Chris.
No. They beat you. She's a great teammate.
See, even Chris agrees.
Juggernaut again.
Oh yeah, then if
Chris,
you...
please kill me last. Okay. Don't start killing me again. Alright.
I don't want to be seen, so I'm just going to stay here. Hey, Chris. Chris, when I was behind the door, I watched you go kill him.
Where you at? I have no idea. Meet me at the beginning.
I see him.
Where's he at? I'm coming to the beginning.
He may or may not be at your spawn.
I'm coming.
He's at your spawn, Chris.
Oh.
And now he's right in front of you where you're going.
Oh.
He already saw you, man. He's ready.
Really?
Yeah.
Then I really know oh my god.
No, Chris, no, you can't be Juggernaut anymore because I figured out that if you win twice, it's yeah, if you win twice, it switches you out.
We have to go team up with him.
I think Thomas.
No.
Oh, it's Parade.
Oh no, it's Vince your bum. Thomas, where you at? I'm not gonna get killed, man. Thomas, where you at? I'm shooting them up. We still need to stick together. I saw he was at the gate. I'm gonna go attack him.
No, he's not up there.
Where's he at?
He's at the gate he's still at the spawn point, looking down.
Oh.
And he killed me. He's at the spawn point. I'll tell you who can see. He's at his spawn point, okay? So flank him. Flank him. He's at his spawn point. He can't see any of y'all. You two are the only ones left.
Go behind me, okay?
You two are the only ones left. He can't see you.
I'm behind his spawn point.
No, don't let him see you yet. Wait, are you both close to a spawn point?
Yep, I'm already there.
Wait, let me check, Chris. No, he can see you, Chris. Go from the other way. Thomas, flank him. Thomas, flank him.
You killed me. Thomas, did you get it? Run, Thomas, run! No! Where are you?
He can see you! He can see you! Run!
Where's she go? He's behind you! Ah, dang. How much health does he have? Dang. Oh, like 1,000. Yeah. They get like 1,000 health to go around.
He's it again. He's bomber again.
Yeah. But no, Thomas is it. What do you mean, bro? Bro. Everybody team up on him. Fight me then. Time to Yo, mama killed. Oh, Ricky. Ricky, shoot him up, shoot him up.
Where is he?
You know you want, little boy. It won't help.
Hello. I saw your ugly self. Boy, you need some J's. Boy, get some J's.
How much do you have left, Thomas? 711. I start out with 900.
Thomas, who do you think did the most damage? Me or...
It's not me.
It's Thomas. Wait, no, it's Meti Papi. I just checked.
Let's go knife him. Well, yeah.
Knife it out to the hands of us. And give a kick, a punch for freedom and glory.
Okay.
Fight on to tell the story. There is nothing we can fight through, nothing ever die. Thomas, do you like this better?
I'm behind you, Ricky.
Yeah, bro. These people probably don't want to watch it anymore since all we're talking about is this. Like, we never talk about what they want.
Alright, everybody.
Thomas.
Team up and I'm gonna be
Thomas.
Ricky, no, come back up here.
I will punch for love and glory. I will kick to tell the story. There is nothing we can fight through. Nothing ever lives. We will kill them all. Wait for me.
I'm Patrick.
Yeah, no, I'm Chaozu.
No, you're Yasu.
Yeah, I'm Chaozu, god dang it.
Go.
I believe you both just got murked.
Oh, I do so much damage. Ricky!
I avenge you!
You're gonna die horribly. That. Oh.
It's laggy, man. It was laggy as crap.
Venture bomb.
Mm.
Oh no, he's running away from Metro Bomb.
English, mother cracker. Do you speak it, you cracker?
Oh my god, this takes forever.
English, cracker. Do you speak it, cracker? Cracker. Cracker. Great. Cracker.
Every time we gotta all team up and we gotta go out like that. Oh! Hey, they're both
Bro, they're on the opposite side of the map. This guy won't.
I think you might be able to flank them.
He's about to be able to camp him.
I feel like every single time
He sees him and he knows he wants to shoot him in the head.
Who shot first? Oh, they're having a duel.
No, they're having a duel.
No.
They're having a He won!
This guy's.
You know what that means? Ventura Bomb's gonna be the killer.
It's not me. It ain't me.
It's Ventura Bomb. He won. He's it.
Alright, everybody team up. Attack.
Wait, where are y'all?
Behind you.
Let's go. Wait, what? Oh, you said
Where everybody else is going. That's the tag.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I'm totally not going down here.
No, the dude behind me is Yamcha. The dude behind me is Yamcha, Chris. Don't compare me anymore.
Oh, I see him.
There's Kwame.
Fire him.
Kill him.
Is he nice to get there?
Kill him. What are y'all doing?
They're all knifing him.
You terrible teammates.
Will I win like this? Bro, I was about to say, will I win like this? Bro, I just did say it, so. Yeah, they get. No! Yeah! Y'all saw how much I was knifing him, right?
Yeah.
No.
I bet. No, bro! GB better kill him! GB, kill him! Kill him! Come on, man!
No, he wants to be friends. Oh, he's doing that shit.
Do, 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 do. He's gonna get killed so bad.
He's a dance.
Bro, this guy's gonna get killed so bad. I feel sorry for him. He wants to be on the same team and he's gonna get killed. Venture bombs right now, just gonna plop him, kill him, done. Plop him, they kill him, I die. Bro, they're kissing! They're kissing!
God, this is too.
He loved it. He was like,
He's done. GB is done.
Bro, look at, bro, can you see his expression? Look at his expression. Bro, look at his expression. Bro, look at that expression.
No.
Bro, look at that first kiss expression on GB's face. Are y'all gonna kill each other or what? Oh, bro, their guns are smooching now.
Kill each other.
I'm just gonna pause the video.
You know, we're gonna pause the video because this is too much. Bro, G3 killed him. Bro, GB killed him. He got him close, waited for the Juggernaut to shoot upwards.
Hey guys, because of my low storage.
GB, bro,
Listen, because of my low storage, it just stopped right
Hey, Thomas, GB is, the murderer. Why?
Because I had to.
Chris, we must live on his legacy until he gets back.
Just survive. Survive. Survive, Ricky. Survive.
We can shoot him up. Shoot him, Ricky. I'm trying to knife him.
Oh, you want to get some of this? Oh, you want to touch it? You can. What do you want? Oh, can't eat it.
Ricky, use your gun.
Oh, you want to touch me? You want to touch me? Oh, you smooch. Oh, smooch. But that's my lipstick. I'm wiping off my.
Next to him and start knifing him.
But he's my lipstick wiper.
Ricky, you're
He can't kill me. I'm recording. You can't touch this. Oh, you want to touch this? Oh, you want to touch this? Oh, you smooch. Oh, some smooch. Some smooch. Some smooch. Some smooch. What the? After all that, he killed me. Bro, Venture Bomb wants to make friends with them. Bro, these are the same people from last time. You know, I'm going to pause the video because I know they're going to try and make friends. Okay, y'all, we're back because the Juggernaut did kill him. And the Juggernaut was the same guy that tried to make love to him last time. Let's go, let's go.
Oh, we're traveling in the tech. They're smart. They're like wolves. They're smarter. What?
I'm ready for the test. For the test. Bye-bye. Bro, I'm trying to make friends with them and y'all interrupting. Bro, this is our love session.
No, here's what you need to. You gotta wait until everybody else is dead. Then.
Kill him, Ricky, kill him. Ricky, black, I'm jealous. Ricky, he cheated on you. He has 3 girls.
3 boys?
3 girls. Shoot him in the head, Ricky. Yeah, you're gonna start shooting him.
I knew it and I didn't want to deny it. You know what? Leave a comment, like, and subscribe. That was the funniest video ever.